Three-component system. Introduction. The solubility of any substance differs when there are different components mixing together. So, when the third component is added to a mixture of miscible liquid, it may affect the mutual solubility. If the third component is more soluble in one of the liquids than in the other, then the miscibility between that pair of liquids decreases. While, when the third component is soluble in both components, then the mutual solubility will be increased. Phase diagram. A phase diagram is an organized triangular diagram that determines the relationship of three-component system at a constant temperature and pressure. The triangular diagram expresses the conditions at which thermodynamically distinctive phases can take place at equilibrium, and the number of phases of a system that can exist in equilibrium at any particular time depends on the conditions of temperature, concentration, and composition. Rule relating phase diagram: each corner/apex of the triangle represents 100% of a component, and the side opposite to the corner represents 0% of that component. The distance between the apex and its opposite side is divided into 100 parts. As we move from the side of the triangle to the opposite apex, the percent of the component increases. The area within the triangle represents all possible combinations of the three components. A ternary phase diagram has a miscible region and immiscible region. Procedure: materials and equipment: chloroforms, acetic acid and water, conical flasks, burettes, and pipettes. 2. Prepare the following: percent acetic acid/chloroform 10g total, 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, and 90% in small volumetric flasks. All mixtures will form one single phase. Specific gravity of acetic acid equals 1.009, chloroform equals 1.3. 3. Add water to these mixtures slowly from a burette until the appearance of turbidity. Record the weight of water. Calculate the percent W/W of each component in the turbid mixture to obtain a miscibility curve and plot a triangular diagram.